Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply go ahead and teach you how you can log in into your IMDb account. It is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video to the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, go to any browser you want and simply search for IMDb like this, and finally click on the first link which says imdb.com. Finally, once you have done that, you want to click on the sign in button on the top right of your screen over here, and once you have clicked on that, you can basically go ahead and sign in with your IMDb account right over here. You can also sign in with your Amazon account, you can sign in with your Facebook account, you can even sign in with your Google and Apple account. So click on any service you want to go ahead and sign in with. I'm going to go ahead and sign in with my IMDb account itself. And finally, it will ask you for your email. Go ahead and enter your email on top, and then go ahead and enter your password on the bottom tab right over here. And once you have done that, you can check mark this keep me signed in if it is your private PC, but if it's a public PC, you're on a library, then don't keep yourself signed in into any websites, not just IMDb. So simply click on sign in. Once you have done that, as you can see, you have successfully signed in or logged in into your IMDb account. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.